Recently, the Modinagar Sub-Divisional Magistrate Soumya Pandey created quite a sensation after she returned to work 2 weeks after giving birth and along with her baby. As you can see from those visuals there, Soumya Pandey was appointed the nodal officer for COVID in Ghaziabad district this July. She rejoined office a fortnight after giving birth to a baby girl. Well, let's go across to Soumya Pandey now. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us this morning on the show. Do tell us what made you return to work 2 weeks after the delivery of your baby.
Thank you so much. A very good morning to all of you. So first of all, this is not something unnatural that I have done, and I'm really surprised at the sensation that is being created, because I have many living examples in front of me who've done this and who are doing this. If we look around a normal Indian middle class family, women who are doing household work and work in the fields in rural areas, they work till the last days of the delivery, and after delivering their baby, after taking a few days of rest, they again limp back and do all the household work, including cooking, washing, everything. And even the rural women start doing their work, and women around start doing their work. So taking inspiration from them, and personally, my own mother, she is an MS Gynac doctor. So she took only 20, when I was born, after that 20 days, she joined back duty, and she was discharging her duties as a doctor for 36 hours at a stretch, which was, I think, physically very challenging. But I was brought up very well with my nani and dadi and the whole family, and she used to give me time as and when suitable. So I think it's a very natural process, and women around are doing this. I'm taking inspiration from them. I'm doing that. It is not something unnatural. It is not sensational. The photo that's, I think, going viral, that photo with my baby girl, is of the camp office. And I would like to categorically clarify to a lot of people who don't know the concept of camp office. The camp office for IS officers or any officer is attached to the residence. And here we do the file work, and we do all sorts of work in evening in our camp office. So it's attached to the residence, and it's completely safe. I don't carry my baby girl to outside field visits and the tehsil office where a lot of people are coming, to prevent cross infection.
That's a very important clarification, that, you know, this is something that you had the luxury of having this office right next to your home, and you could actually just, you know, walk across and have the baby there in your camp office, which you said is attached to your residence. But ma'am, what would your response be to many people? While, you know, you've been appreciated, but many have questioned this, you know, unrealistic ideal, in the sense 6-month maternity leave is something that has been very hard fought for by women. Not all women have the luxury or can return to work or do work in this manner, be seen in an office like this, just, you know, weeks after giving birth. And that while, yes, it's commendable that you've done it, because, you know, when the midst of a pandemic, and I can imagine there are lots of pressing issues that you need to look into. But again, it's something that we need to, take with a pinch of salt, that it's an unrealistic ideal for most women, and women should have the comfort and the luxury of being able to, you know, relax 6 months and spend that time with their baby and recovering from childbirth, and then return to work.
Very well said, and I would like to say to all the people who are calling this unrealistic and maybe a publicity stunt, that it is not a one-size-fits-all policy. For me, there were multiple factors that were supporting. I had a very supportive joint family to take care of my baby. I had supportive work environment. I had the luxury that my office is at a walking distance from my residence. So all these factors actually helped me to limp back to work very soon. And they should also, people who are questioning this decision, of course, maternity leave is a right, and every woman has this right to take maternity leave, and every woman has different circumstances, health conditions. They should keep all these factors in mind and then take a decision. This was my personal choice, and I felt that the sooner I jump back to work and to normalcy, the better. Even medically, it's recommended that 6 weeks after postpartum, your body actually comes back to your normal this thing, and the sooner you get into normalcy, the better. The doctors, the gynacs don't recommend you 6 months of bed rest. They always tell us
that... No, definitely not bed rest, of course.
Yeah. We should keep doing work at home, small works at home, and we should not keep ourselves immobile. So if I would not have been working in my office, I would definitely have been working in my home. We should look around at our mothers and our grandmothers, nani, dadis, and ask them that they were definitely doing household chores.
Yes,
and just because they're doing it inside the four walls, and I being in public service, we come in the highlight. So that does not differentiate me from them.
All right, so it was the public service as well that, brought you back to work. And nice to know about, how the supportive environment that you're saying at work and at home to actually, work in this manner. And, even in NDTV, we have a creche for mothers. So that's something that in our office, it's been very supportive. And before we let you go, tell us, did your husband take paternity leave? Because that's another hard-fought, win for many that, men are also entitled to paternity leave.
Yeah, that's also a very pertinent issue that's going on. My husband, being in the services, unfortunately, he did not get so much. He's also in the same service, one that's senior to me. So he did not get a lot of time to take care. But of course, I had my extended family, my own mother, my own family-in-laws, everyone was there to take care. So, yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much and all the best to you, ma'am. Thank you so much. That's Soumya Pandey, the SDM of Modi Nagar, talking to us about returning to work within 2 weeks of giving birth. But as she qualified there, her office is attached to her residence, so it was much easier for her than for most women.